Welcome to Pod 4 Journal Club, where we break down some absolutely cutting-edge science.
Today, we're asking a wild question. Can AI learn about the human heart by studying abstract art?
What you're seeing is a Julia fractal. The idea is to use this to train medical AI. Here's our game plan. We'll cover the big data problem, the math solution, the results, and what's next.
Okay, first up, let's talk about the core problem this whole paper is trying to solve.
Powerful AI needs tons of data, but as you know, patient data is private and really hard to get.
So, the researchers came up with a brilliant workaround. Just make their own data using pure math.
So instead of real patient scans, they used math to generate an endless stream of unique images.
These fractals are super complex, which is great for teaching an AI, but with zero privacy issues.
So how on earth do you turn a fractal into something that looks like an MRI scan?
First, they make the fractal change over time, to mimic the motion of a beating heart.
Next, they add a mask to make it actually look like it's inside a human body.
Then, they simulate how a real MRI machine would even capture that kind of signal.
And finally, it's converted into K-space, which is the raw data MRIs use. That's the dataset.
Okay, so here's the million-dollar question. Does this wild idea actually work on real patients?
On the left, we've got the AI trained on fractals. On the right, the one trained on real MRIs.
And get this, expert cardiologists ranked the image quality and they couldn't tell the difference, a tie.
But when you look at the numbers, the fractal-trained AI was actually way better on image contrast.
And what's most important, the actual clinical measurements from these images were spot on, totally accurate.
Oh, and by the way, the AI methods were also thousands of times faster than other techniques.
All right, let's take a breath for a quick reality check. The authors were really upfront about the limitations.
Look, this was a proof of concept on just 10 people, so we definitely need more research here.
So, what does all of this mean for the future of AI in medicine?
Well, this could be a new, open, and scalable way to build powerful medical AI without privacy headaches.
It really makes you wonder, if AI can master the heart with just math, what's next?